ISD here at Moss Haven Elementary, and I have two helpers with me today. On this side, I have Hank, and on this side, I have Sam. Today, we're going to teach you a game that we like to call Rolling with Richardson ISD. This is a balance and flexibility challenge that's going to challenge you to use different bases of support to find your balance. So to start the game, you need one dice. We brought out our big jumbo dice today so you could easily see. But if you're at home, you could take a dice from one of your favorite board games. Just make sure to put it back when you're done. So we're going to give our first dice to Sam, and he's going to roll the dice. What number did you get?
5.
5. So these boys are challenged to have 5 bases of support. 5 things touching the floor, holding their balance. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get set. On this side, we've got hand, hand, knee, toe, foot. So that's 5. Over here, we have foot, foot, hand, elbow, hand. So you have to be creative. And now, together, we're going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. All right, we're going to take the dice and give it to the next person. I want you guys to do one more with us, and then we'll give you a chance to roll your own. So go ahead. All right, what's our number?
4.
4. So they can do the same thing if they want, or they can do something different. They need 4 bases of support. Go ahead. All right, so here we've got hand, elbow, knee, foot. Foot, foot, hand, hand. And again, we're going to hold this for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now at this time, you can pause the video and continue to roll, or if you don't have dice, you can roll and play with us. So Sam, would you roll again? All right, what's our number? 2. Okay, you can make this simple, hard. What are you guys going to do for your base of support? You need 2. All right. Let's see what they come up with. Okay, we got 1 foot and 1 hand both, but they look different. Here we go. You got it? I'm going to do 2. Look at me. I'm on my 2 feet. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, guys. You will give the dice to Hank. All right, let's do one more, and then we're going to challenge you with something new. Okay, go ahead. All right, 1 is our number, okay? You guys, let's get our 1 base. You can, anything you want with 1, okay? Got it? All right, on your tippy toe, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's okay, and sometimes we lose our balance. All right, friends, we're going to make this challenge a little bit harder. If you'd like, you can pause this video and keep working with 1. But if you have a friend or an adult with you, we like to play double dice. So each person is going to roll, and we're going to add these numbers together. So go ahead, just roll them right here. Okay, we have 5 plus 2. So what's our total?
7.
So together, they need 7 body parts. So Hank could have 3, and Sam could have 4. They don't have to do the number on their own dice. We're adding them together. So we need 7 total. So let's look. 1, 2, what are you doing? You doing 4? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 total. All right, let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. All right, let's do that one more time. Each of you roll your dice right here. Oh, big one. What's our total?
10.
We have 5 plus 5. So together we need 10 body parts. One person could do 6, one could do 4, they each could do 5, one could do 9, and one could do 1. The possibilities are endless. So what are you going to do?
I'm actually going to do
5. Okay, so that means you need 5. So let's go ahead and figure out 5. It could be feet, hand, head. Yep, you could be down on an elbow. Okay, so hand, elbow, toe, that's 5. Over here we have elbow, hand, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. If you guys will hand me your dice. And to you at home, you can continue to play with 1, you can play with 2, you can go to multiplication. The sky is the limit. Thank you for joining Coach Fuller, Hank, and Sam for Rolling with Richardson ISD.